I am taking these wood chips for the garden, and we believe these wood chips help retain moisture in the soil, reducing the needs for frequent watering, especially during the hot day or dry weather. A layer of wood chips can act as a barrier, preventing weeds seeds from germinating and suppressing weeds growth. So, we believe also that wood chips help moderate soil temperatures, keeping the soil cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. As wood chips decompose, they release nutrients that enrich the soil, improving its fertility and structure. So, also that wood chips can enhance the overall appearance of our garden, creating a clean and natural look. That's it. So that's why we're putting the wood chips in our garden.